So in this video, we are required to determine the LCM of these numbers. I've solved a video where I use the number method, but this is a special method. All we do is we are going to focus in on the numbers, these 28, 35, and 42. Then we are going to be using a table method. That's actually a kind of a basic method. Probably we are used to. We've been taught that in the previous basic level. So we have 28. We have 35, then we have 42. So let's use 2. 2 in 28, that is 14. 2 in 35 is not possible, you return 35. Then 2 in 42, that will give us what? 21. We can still use 2. 2 in 14, that is 7. 2 in 35 is not possible. And 2 in 21 is not possible, you return 21. Then the next one is, let's use 3. 3 in 7 is not possible, you return 7. 3 in 35, you still return the 35, it's not possible. 3 in 21, that is 7. So the next one is, we can use 5, right? Excuse me. So 5 in 7 is not possible, you return 7. 5 in 35, that's 7 times 5, 35, that is 7. Then 5 in 7 is not possible, you return 7. Then the next one is 7. So 7 in 7, 1, 1, and 1. So the LCM of these three numbers basically is what? 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. And that will give us 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, that is 60. Then 60 times 7, that will give us what? 420. Now the next question is, how do we bring in these letters? Now LCM talks about the product of the highest power of the factors, right? If it doesn't involve numbers. So in this case, the highest power of p in this series, this p cube, p squared, p cube. So we'll pick p raised to power 3. Then q raised to power 3 is a q raised to power 7, q raised to power 6, we pick q raised to power 7. Then r raised to power 5, r raised to power 4, r raised to power 9, pick r raised to power 9. So this is the LCM. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.